Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel TanmoyChem. Today's topic of discussion is one very easy MCQ. So I request everyone, please participate. Please write your answer in the comment box along with few words as explanation. I believe you have tried, so let's start. Now the question, which of the following alcohol is the least soluble in water? 4 examples given. Ethanol, 1 propanol, 1 butanol, 1 pentanol. By the way, if you look at the similarity among all 4 options are that all are primary alcohol, so their solubility. Now basically if you want to discuss solubility of any compound, you should remember one statement: like dissolves like. And similar type of molecule dissolves similar type of molecule means the interaction is better. For example, if you have a non-polar substance, it prefers to dissolve in non-polar solvent, or that case we call it as a hydrophobic. And if you have a polar substance like water, so that prefers to dissolve in polar molecules. For example, first one, ethanol. So here there is a OH bond. Because of electronegativity difference, this bond is polar. Delta minus, delta plus. Actually, CC is non-polar and CH is actually very less polar. Why? Because the electronegativity difference is very low. So if you look at this part, for every alcohol, it is your polar and this part is your non-polar. Now, how can I decide about solubility? So, if the polar part, if you look at every case, it's same, OH. Non-polar part or hydrophobic part, it's increasing. Here it's C2, C3, C4 and C5. Now, one thing, increasing the size of this hydrophobic part or organic part or non-polar part, solubility in water decreases, because two things working opposite. Because of OH, this is water soluble through hydrogen bonding. We know alcohol can form hydrogen bonding with water, and that's why it's water soluble. But if you look at this part, this organic part, it is non-polar, hydrophobic. So if you increase this hydrophobic part, the solubility of that alcohol in water is expected to reduce. That's happened. And according to this question, minimum hydrophobic part or organic moiety have this. So according to this question, alcohol is least soluble in water, ethanol is most soluble. So who is least soluble? 1 pentanol. Okay, by the way, student, the question could be modified. Instead of least, they can ask most. So be careful. I believe you have understood the logic. Now in conclusion, what you have learned today, solubility of an organic compound depends on the presence of both hydrophobic and hydrophilic compound and nature of the solvent also. Now if hydrophobic part is smaller, then it is more soluble in water, which is actually a polar solvent. And if the organic part, I mean CH and CC, non-polar part is bigger, then solubility is expected to be less in water but more in organic solvent. Specifically, I am talking non-polar solvent. Now you can say, sir, there are some polar organic solvent. What will be your opinion? See, those are exception, case to case basis we can decide. Okay, so this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.